Alright, it's time for next project. I bought this wind deflector for my 2011 Street Glide. Hope it's gonna help a little bit with buffing on a highway or a high speed. That's supposed to go in here. It's supposed to look like this. I have to drill it out the hole just a bit, actually quite a bit. Right. Can barely see it. I'm a little skeptical about this, but it might work. Let's see if the handlebars are not restricted. Oh, looks pretty good. All done for today. Tire looks semi-clean. The wind deflector installed. The wall mount is finished. Alright, it's time to test it out, new buffing device on the road. I don't think that helped much. Still, right now I'm going 60. Let's go to 70. Yeah, I can feel vibration on the helmet, so I don't think that did anything really. But still, the air is coming from right over here. So, I mean, it's pretty cheap, so it was worth a try, but yeah. So right now we can see I'm going around 70-75 on the highway. Yeah, the helmet buffers quite a bit. That's 80. Probably in video you can see in this camera that it shakes a little bit. Or not, I don't know, it's a really small vibration, but it's annoying as shit. So for like long distance riding, that would be pretty painful. I'll get a fucking brain damage from that. But anyways, yeah, we're going to Chicago right now to see what's going on over there. It's a nice weather. Everything's pretty much closed, but maybe we can stop by Starbucks, get some coffee. Alright, see you later.